What's up guys, this is Shivane, and in this video I will tell you guys how you can fix the problem that you encounter a FPS drop on your Windows 10 PC when you're gaming, and this video is especially for you if you encounter a sudden FPS drop when you're gaming. Now before we begin with the video, I would just like to tell you guys that if you guys encounter any software related problems, then just comment down below or email us and we'll make a solution video for you guys. Now let's begin with the video. So before we begin with the actual solutions to this problem, I would just like to offer some generic solutions. So first of all, make sure that your Windows PC is updated to the latest version. And if this problem occurred when you updated your PC to a new Windows version, then try to roll back to your original Windows version and check whether that fixes your problem. The next step is to disable your background programs. So just disable any unnecessary background programs that you may have, especially cosmetic apps like live desktop wallpapers or something like that. So make sure that you disable all of these, and then make sure that your GPU drivers are updated to the latest version. So for example, if I'm talking about NVIDIA, then your NVIDIA Game Ready drivers are updated to the latest version. And if this problem occurred after you updated your graphic drivers, then I recommend that you roll back to the original drivers that you had before the update when everything was working perfectly and use that. And finally, when you're in-game, then have your in-game settings for power management mode as maximum performance, keep vertical sync off, keep threaded optimization off, and keep triple buffering off. Also try reducing graphic quality for better FPS and use full screen mode for the maximum performance. Finally, I recommend that you scan your PC for any malware and try even turning off your antivirus, cause it might cause this issue. So just try turning off your antivirus temporarily and check whether that fixes your problem. Now let's begin with the actual solutions to this FPS drop problem. So the first thing I recommend that you guys do is update your display adapter drivers. So just go to your Windows search and then search for device manager. Once you open up device manager, then just go to display adapters, and here you can find one or more display adapters. So you have to do this step for all of these. I'm just going to show you how to do this with one of my display adapters. So just select your display adapter and then right click on it and then click on uninstall device. And if it asks you to delete the driver software for this device, do not select it and then click on uninstall. After you install your display adapter, then just go to your action tab and then go to scan for hardware changes. Then your display adapter should come back onto the list. If it doesn't appear back, don't worry, just restart your PC and Windows will automatically download the display adapter and it will be back on the list. Once it's back, right click on it and click on update driver and then select search automatically for updated driver software. Then once the process finishes, just restart your PC and check whether that fixed your problem. If that doesn't work, then again right click on your display adapter and then go to update driver. But this time select browse my computer for driver software and then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then make sure that you tick mark show compatible hardware and then select the first model in the list and then just click on OK. And once the drivers is installed, then restart your PC and check whether that fixed your problem. If that doesn't work as well, then you can manually download the drivers from the manufacturer's website. So for example, I have the NVIDIA GeForce MX 230 graphics card, so I can just go to NVIDIA's official website and download the graphic drivers, that is the display adapter drivers, from their official website. And then just follow the setup wizard to install it and then restart your PC and check whether that fixed your problem. Now the next step is to defragment your hard drive and optimize it. So just go to your Windows search and then search for defragment and optimize drives. And then just select one of your drives and then click on the optimize button. And then do this for all of the hard drives that you have. After that, restart your PC and check whether that fixed your problem. The next step is using registry editor. So just go to your Windows search and then search for run. In run, type in regigit. Once you open up the registry editor, then just go to the following path, that is hkey current user, then system, then game config store, and then once you're there, select the dword known as game dvr underscore enabled on the right hand side and then set its value to 0. Then again in the registry editor, search for HK local machine, then software, then Microsoft, then policy manager, then default, and then application manager. In application manager, you will find a dword known as allow game dvr on the right hand side. Just double click on it and then select its value to 0 as well. After that, restart your PC and check whether that fixed your problem. The next step to solving this issue is not using the onboard sound device, because that causes this issue as well. So just go to your device manager, and once you get to the device manager, just expand sound, video and game controllers, and then here just update your sound drivers or just uninstall the onboard sound device and stick with Realtek. So if you have anything other than Realtek as your sound device, just uninstall it and then you can stick with Realtek. And if you want more information on this step, then just comment down below, cause this is a different issue and I can make a separate video on it as well. So now moving on, once you do this, again obviously restart your PC, and now let's move on to the next solution. So the next solution is updating your Windows, as I previously mentioned, updating DirectX and updating your redistributaries. So for example, Microsoft C++ 2007, 8, 9, 10, stuff like this. So I'll link down below a site where you can download all of this and then just follow the installation wizard and install them, and then restart your PC and check whether that fixed your problem, because updating your DirectX and having all the important redistributaries is very important for running games on Windows. Now, the next solution to this problem is turning off visual effects in Windows. So to do that, just go to your Windows search and then search for performance, and then select adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Then here you will be able to see a list of graphical features that you can enable or disable. Click on adjust for best performance button and then disable all of these effects, and then just click on apply and then see if that helps and fixes your issue. You can always go back and change it when you're not gaming. Now the next step is for Nvidia users, cause I don't have AMD. So for this, basically what is happening is that Windows is using the integrated graphics instead of your dedicated graphics card to run the game, and that is why you're having this issue. And to fix this, you basically have to go to the Nvidia control panel. So you can just go to your Windows search and then search for Nvidia control panel, and then once you open it up, under the 3D settings, you will find manage 3D settings. Then once you're there, change the preferred graphics processor to your dedicated graphics card, which is the high performance Nvidia processor, and then just click on apply and save changes. Then restart your PC and check whether that fixed your problem. Now the next step is changing your power settings. So as I said earlier, change your power settings in game to high performance. And in Windows, just right click on the Windows button on your taskbar and then select power options. Then in power options, go to additional power settings, and here change your plan to high performance. If you don't have a high performance plan, then what you can do is select create a power plan in the left pane and then select high performance. Then click on next and then create the plan. Then select it, restart your PC and check whether that fixes your issue. Now for the next step, just go to your Windows search and then search for settings. Once you're in Windows settings, then just select gaming and then Xbox game bar, and then turn off enable Xbox game bar slider. Once you disable this, just go to the captures tab and then ensure that the record in the background while I'm playing a game is also toggled off, and then finally switch to the game mode tab and make sure that it is toggled on. After that, restart your PC and check whether it fixed your problem. Now that was it for this video guys. I have two more solutions for you. One would be to uninstall the game and then reinstall it, because your game files might be corrupted and that's what causing this issue. And the second one is that your Windows files is corrupted, and for that you have to go to your Windows search and then search for command prompt, then right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Then once you run the command prompt as an administrator, Just type in the following commands. I'll link these in the description below for you to check out. The first one is the DISM commands. So DISM, check health, scan health and restore health. And after that, SFC /scan now command. So run all of these commands, and then once the process finishes, restart your PC and check whether that fixed your problem. So this was it for this video guys. I hope this video helped you. If it didn't, then just comment down below or email us your specific problem, and maybe we can have a specific video specially for you to solve this issue for you. And if it did, then just comment down below which solution worked for you. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.